Hey guys, it's Miss Gill again with video number 2. We're still talking about multiple percentages. Got so nervous from making the first video that I had to put on more deodorant, but we're good now. I also realized that I had the volume on full blast, so rip headphone users in the first video. So let's scroll down to number 6, page 21. Maybe I should write that up here. This is page 21. Again, the first step is to read the problem. Damon buys lumber worth $562. He gets a 20% contractor's discount. The sales tax is 6%. His credit card gives him 2% off. How much does he pay? So again, the big deal here is how much does he pay? So we're going to think of every number in terms of payment. How much are we paying? Not how much is it off. How much are we paying? So back to the first sentence. Okay, well, the first sentence is not very helpful. He buys $562 worth of lumber. Next sentence. He gets a 20% contractor's discount. Well, we know that word discount means it's taken off. So since we're thinking of everything in terms of how much you pay, that means that we are paying 20% off of the original full 100%. So we're paying 80%. Now we've got to figure out how much is 80% of $562. So in the last video, if you watched it, I mentioned that percent symbol, the word percent actually means divide, and cent, like century, means 100. So this is not the number 80, it's actually 80 divided by 100, which is 0.8. Of means multiply, and we're just going to bring down this 562. Then you can pull out your calculator. So let's type in 0.8 times 562. And I get $449.60 or 49.60. 60. Now that's just the first part of the question. So we've done this part right here. Check. Now let's do the next part. The sales tax is 6%. So again, sales tax is what you're paying in addition to the price. So we're actually going to be paying 100% of the $449.60. So we're going to pay that full thing, but we're also going to have to pay an additional 6%. So that really comes out to 106%. So we need to figure out what is 100% of this number right here. Oh, I wrote 100 instead of 106. 449.60. Okay, I'm going to get out my calculator. Oh, first let me write down what to type in. So 106%, percent means divide by 100, so it's not 106, it's actually 1.06. Of means times, and just bring this number down. Now we'll type it in. 1.06 times 449.6. Okay, when we're talking about money, you only ever need 2 decimal places. So the 6 that we're not going to count is going to round the 7 up to an 8. So it's actually going to be $476.58. 47658. 758. So we've done the green part. Now we'll do purple. That's still not the final answer because his credit card is giving him 2% off. 2% off of what he's paying. So he's not going to pay the full 100%. He's going to pay 2% off of that. So he's actually paying 98%. So we need to figure out what is 98%. And we're not finding 98% of the original price. We're like way beyond that now. We're not even talking about the discounted price. We're talking about the last thing we found. He gets 2% off of the last thing that we found. So 98% of the number that I circled. So 98% of $476.58. So I'm going to type in 0.98 times 476.58. Put my calculator. 0.9 times 758. Again, we only ever use 2 decimal places in money, and that 8 that we're not using is going to round the 4 up to a 5. So it's going to be $467.05. So 467.05. Whoa. 5. Now that is the final answer for page 21, number 6. See you on the next video.